Oh, you motherfuckers. Alright, motherfuckers. So now we're gonna cook that steak. Alright. Let's see. This is pretty hot. That's about right. Alright, so hopefully I don't burn all my skin off. But I don't think it's gonna happen, so it's all good. Oh! Rosemary. Crush a little bit, put that bitch up in the freaking oil before it cooks.
Make it taste.
Alright, it's gonna be minute. This side steak, I'm gonna do minute 45 one side, minute 45 the other side. Shit! We gotta bake that shit afterwards. Alright, so hopefully that's pretty hot when I get that shit in there. Not really gonna matter that much. Oh yeah, and this is baked cooking with Swayze, by the way. Oh, perfect. Still going. Go black on that side. The black makes you tough as shit. Alright, 11:56. 11:57. But while your steak is cooking, you bust out your breakfast clothes at least. Get them fancies down with how weird. These motherfucking Z's. Always got time for every motherfucking kiss. Almost done. That's what she said, huh? Alright, next, cook on both motherfucking sides. Woo! Black as a motherfucker. This one's gonna make me tough as shit. And the next motherfucking side. By the way, this is improvised motherfucking cooking. As usually I use tongs for this bullshit. P.S. I usually cook my shit on the grill out of propane.
Fuck propane, it's all about charcoal.
Motherfucking shit.
Charcoal.
Yeah, I'm gonna be switching to charcoal. Fuck you.
Yeah.
Alright. Look at that motherfucking burger. Right here. That shit is more than ready. More than motherfucking ready. Think. Let's do about 3 minutes. Take that shit out the motherfucking burner. Duh. Yeah, fuck that. Like I said, it's not my house. And that, motherfuckers, is how you cook the steak. I'll be pulling that shit out, and then I'll show you motherfuckers how good that shit look inside.